everybody, I'm Azzy. Welcome to my channel. Today, friends, we are going to make an origami crown. Our guest for today is Marian, dressed up as Cinderella. Okay, friends, I want to tell you a cool fun fact about origamis. Did you know origamis are famous in Japan and they believe in if you fold 1,000 origami cranes, your wish will come true. Ori means folding and kami means paper. What's cool about origami is that you can make whatever your imagination desire. Your imagination is the limit. Now, let's start making origami, friends. For today's crafts, friends, we'll need paper, a ruler, scissors, some decorations, glue, and a pencil with an eraser. You can use any paper that you want, but it's better to recycle your paper. Friends, origami uses square paper. As all of you know, squares have 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners. I'm going to measure my paper with a ruler 10 by 10. After you're done tracing the lines with a ruler, it's time to cut. Be careful when you cut. Time to snip. Snip, snip, snip. I finished cutting all my square paper. Ta-da! And also right here. Here's all the things and here's the other purples. And to start making our origami, all you need to do is fold. So, here you go. Line it up with the other corner until you reach the corner. Then you'll strip it up. Take time to fold some triangles. Okay, make sure they meet up with the lines. Put it and connect them like that. Ta-da! First one was perfectly made. And now it's time to make the other one. And then mix everything up. Ta-da! Neat! Let's fold up here. Pretty neat. Okay. So get them down. Okay. Fold them up to here. Okay. And now you fold again. Okay, so here's another one. Put it like that, and then just open each square up. Ta-da! Now you have 2 squares. Then put it all the others. Look how many I made! Wow! I'm making my last origami. After I make all my origami, well, there's 2 more. So after I make my other 2, we are going to put these together, then measure them around their heads and see if they're the perfect origami fit. Now it's time to put them together. So first unfold it, then put it inside here, put them together inside, and then fold it back up. It's too short for my head, so we're going to put even more. All of these origamis, so I put them in, and I'm putting some of them in. So there you go. I'm going to try to fold this to make a circle for my crown. Wow, it turned into a circle. So now we have to put them together. We put all these pieces together, and I'm all done. Okay, let's see if it fits. Look at my crown. I made it out of paper. What I learned today is about origamis. I learned about origamis that paper is not strong, but if you combine the origamis together to make a crown, it is strong. Look, I made a crown. Now it's time to decorate. I have these flowers that I'm going to put onto my crown. So watch me. First, we'll just open the glue. Next, put a swirling dots all around. There. After, you can put it wherever you want. So, I'm going to put these ones right on the purple. And then, I'm going to put a blue in the pink. Now let's put some in glue. Blue and glue rhymes. So let's just glue it and glue it, glue it and glue it. Okay, careful when you put it on. Perfect. Isn't that wonderful? Now we are going to put the pink flowers. First, I'm going to glue again. After when you're done the glue, you'll do the same step as every flower has. Now first, I'm going to put it on the pink little flower. You can put whatever decorations you want. And you can put even sparkles on yours. Snoop. There you go. Nice. I finished making my crown. Do you like it? It has some flowers, everybody. Do you like it, Mariam? Yeah, I do. I hope you learned something and that you had fun making your origami crowns with me. Thank you for watching this video today. I'm so grateful for all of you watching my videos. And make sure to click the bell button below and subscribe and like. Aztig!